We made it. We made it to the Bahamas.
I'm Brooke, and this is Brayden. We have 2 kids and 2 dogs, Rooney, Penn, Fraser, and Captain. At 75 tons and 55 feet long, our home is different. With time being non-renewable and our home being, well, movable, around the world we go as we roam to know. Welcome aboard, Mermaid Monster. Wind is understated, wind is fleeting, wind is invisible. Wind has the power to create and obliterate. Wind etches itself into surfaces, slips into impossible spaces, and lifts up objects that defy gravity. It has no face and it has no tangible surface, yet we turn our face into it. We search for its appearance. We use it for power. We fear it. Wind brushes my hair against my cheek. I close my eyes to listen for its voice. Wind is a powerful ghost. Someone once told me the quote, "There are 2 things in life that define you. Your patience when you have nothing, and your attitude when you have everything." Sometimes we don't have a choice to whether we have everything or nothing at all. I do know one thing that we all have in common though. We are all human. We will all experience both life and death, love and loss, trial, which leads to both success and failure, empathy, which will hopefully support gratitude and growth. This gratitude is infectious, and that is one thing I'm okay being infected by. The people of the Bahamas, specifically the Abacos, Freeport, and Grand Bahamas, lost quite literally everything. I think it is a good time to both reflect and realize that, like bamboo, we are strong yet flexible, soft but resilient. We continue to grow and we are tough. We have a voice that demands to be heard and spirits that refuse to be broken. We move with the wind and we push against it. We have an insatiable appetite for love. We will fight for our freedom. We will stand up to our oppressors. And so, just when you think you are utterly and completely done, realize that you are not. Run 1 minute longer. Hold your breath for 1 second more. Raise your head up higher, just a smidge higher, because that is how you survive.
You knew how much I wished it was different. There's a fire we should put out, but all I know is how to fall back into you. Oh, I wanna see you. Now I'm ready to be hurt again. I'll end up in your chest. I see it in your eyes that you are ready to be hurt again, like nothing ever crashed. This is the best it ever gets. I see it in your eyes that we will get hurt again. We will get hurt again. Put us on hold. Let us stop you.